For many Coppell homeowners, door replacement isn't just about aesthetics or security. It's a smart investment in energy efficiency. Outdated, poorly insulated doors can be a significant source of heat loss in the winter and unwanted heat gain in the summer, both of which drive up utility costs. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient doors, you can make your home more comfortable, reduce energy bills, and even enhance resale value. The Energy Efficiency Challenge in Coppell Homes. Coppell experiences hot summers and relatively cold winters, meaning your home's heating and cooling systems work hard year-round. Unfortunately, older doors, especially those with worn weather stripping, cracks, or outdated materials, allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to seep in. This forces HVAC systems to run longer, consuming more energy. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that doors, windows, and skylights can account for up to 30% of a home's energy loss. Replacing inefficient doors is one of the fastest ways to close that gap. How modern doors improve efficiency: superior insulation. Newer doors are designed with insulated cores, often polyurethane or foam, that significantly reduce heat transfer. This keeps your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Advanced weather stripping. Modern door replacements come with enhanced weather stripping that seals tightly against the frame. This minimizes drafts and blocks air leaks, which is especially important during Coppell's windy, dry winter days. Energy-efficient glass panels. If you choose a door with glass inserts, today's options often feature double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and argon gas fills. These features reduce heat loss in winter and block UV rays in summer, protecting your interior from fading while maintaining indoor comfort. Benefits beyond energy saving. While reducing utility bills is a major advantage, door replacement also offers additional benefits that Coppell homeowners appreciate. Enhanced comfort. Eliminate cold drafts in winter and keep indoor spaces cooler in summer. Noise reduction. Better sealing and insulation help block outside noise, improving your home's tranquility. Improved security. Modern doors often feature reinforced frames and advanced locking systems. Curb appeal. A stylish, updated door boosts the overall look of your home, which can be a selling point if you plan to list your property. Choosing the right energy-efficient door. When selecting a replacement door for energy efficiency, consider the following factors. Material. Fiberglass and steel doors tend to offer better insulation than solid wood, which can warp or crack over time. Energy Star certification. Look for the Energy Star label to ensure your door meets strict efficiency guidelines. Fit and installation. Even the best door won't perform well if installed improperly. Gaps and misalignments can undermine efficiency. Professional installation matters. While DIY might seem like a way to save money, professional door installation ensures your new door is perfectly aligned, sealed, and secured. Proper installation prevents energy loss, maximizes performance, and extends the life of your door. In Coppell's climate, this step is especially crucial to withstand seasonal temperature shifts. Long-term payoff. Replacing an old door with an energy-efficient model is an investment that pays off in several ways. You'll enjoy lower monthly utility bills, greater comfort, and increased home value. Over time, the savings on heating and cooling costs can offset much of the initial expense, making door replacement one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. Bottom line. For Coppell residents looking to improve energy efficiency, reduce utility costs, and enhance home comfort, door replacement is a smart and impactful upgrade. Choosing the right materials, energy-efficient features, and professional installation ensures you get maximum performance and long-term value.